You go back here, we do that, and we do that. Okay, it will not make it safe. Okay, it won't make it safe for you guys. It'll make it crappy like that. So that's why you have to state it yourself. It'll make it for you, but it won't be safe for you. Okay, so make sure just to remember that, right? It makes your values a lot safer. That's the thing with makes it a lot safer, and it makes your code more diligent because you're not going to run into problems later on. And it's actually because when you get confused after the 500th class and you're making a program, right? You don't get confused, but you get caught up. You know, you get sidetracked, and you might forget to set a value like that for a structure. And it's just not typical. Okay, it's really just comes down to diligence. It comes down to functionality. Okay, when you're able to set default values like this, stuff comes really easy. Just assume that you can't have a weight less than 10. Just assume for some reason you have a pet clinic, and a certain section of the clinic cannot accept pets under 10 pounds. So if you make weight 10, right, assuming a default value such as that, and you output your weight, default weight will be 10. Okay, so you don't have to test if weight is less than 10, disregard, or return 0. Instead of doing that, we can set default values, which is probably the greatest ability of classes ever. Okay, this is so great to do. Okay, without actually having to do dog.weight is equal to 10, we can create the weight as 10 for every single animal that we create. If we create 1,000 different animals, instead of individually doing cat.weight, turtle.weight, you know what I'm saying? It's just a lot easier. Okay, it's a lot easier. Saves you a lot of time. Makes your code very, very readable. It's the new way to go. Get out of structures. What structures are is structures are basically just an introduction to classes. They're its little brother. They're its baby brother. Okay, when a structure grows up, it becomes a class. And just remember though, default values for a class are made as private. Okay, they're not public unless you state that it's public. You can make them both private and public by just stating public wherever you want to. Okay, weight and type will be private, so you can't access it from the main. So if we wanted to output dog.weight, it won't allow us. I don't think it will. You see right here, cannot access private member declared in class animal, and it shows you the resolution right here. Scope resolution, cannot access that because it is automatically private. So there's your class on classes.